my God, you're not going to overtake there, are you?
What the?
Right, so Rich, our cameraman, has a Kia Soul 2 Mark 1, a 2010. It appears that he's has a bit of damage on his doors. Today we're going to be looking to replace just the front door, because I think that possibly the rear door as well might be a bit more involved. It's, what was the colour again, Rich?
It's moonlight blue.
Moonlight blue?
Yeah, metallic.
Although we do look metallic green, I have to say.
I think it's green as well.
It does look more green. All right, we've got the new door. We've got some WD-40. We've got some spanners.
Yeah, 12 mil.
We've got a 12.
10. That's it.
All right, well, see how we get on.
So, first thing, I'm going to whip the mirror off, only because I can, and it'll be easy. So, taking the mirror off, a piece of piss on these, and pull that, just give it a little lift, that's it. And then, electric, just push down on the top here, and pull straight out. And I've got 10 mil in here. Wrong way. Right.
Does this all come off on one unit then?
Yeah.
Surely, yeah. Undo the bolts and then it just pulls off.
It's got a plastic bit holding it on as well. It just pops out.
So it should technically just be a plug and play into the new door then, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's handy.
Just give it a little tug.
Oh, it's got a... Well, there we go.
That's it. Yeah, comes off easy, doesn't it? So it's only got those 3 bolts holding that in. Right, next, gonna pop the door retainer out. That's a 12 mil.
So there doesn't seem to be many bolts on this one. Is it literally just like 5 bolts?
Yeah. The other important bit, if you've got a, I'm using a 12 mil open-ended spanner for the electrical connection down in here. So you can slide the spanner underneath the push down bit, which is this bit. That bit locks it in place. Slide the spanner under there and just lift it up like that, and that's it. Job to good.
That's pretty easy.
Yeah, I love Kias, because on Kias all the electrics are so easy to take apart. So on the door, can we get it open a little bit more or not?
No, that's your max.
About it. Okay,
Yeah.
That's fine. Funny enough, they're not overly tight.
No?
No. Right, there's 2 of them.
Right.
Now, I don't know if what I don't know is if there's any spacers under there or not.
Or am I going to get weight released on the next one?
This one will be all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be all right on this one. I'll have
Okay.
this one
Well,
out.
if it goes, I can catch it.
What we do, we'll have this one out. And then the next one is the one.
The next one's the load bearer.
Right there, yeah. I thought I'd do the top one last, because
Yeah,
it's the
yeah.
easiest one to...
Always the safest to do the top one last.
Yeah.
You're all right. Alright.
I don't always catch your fingers in there.
Okay,
Yeah.
there we are.
It was released.
Released.
One door.
No spacers hiding on there, is there?
What do you reckon?
Oh no, there isn't. No,
No?
no, nothing.
Oh, well, good to go.
Good to go. Just going to put a little bit of. This is actually a contact cleaner, but it's as good as. I haven't got any WD-40. Right.
Right, are we going to marry up the new door then, are we? Well, there we've got our 2 doors. We just happened to get one in the right colour, which is unbelievable. Yeah, it did take some research.
If you need to adjust the door, these are the adjusting bolts. You have to take the wing off to be able to do it.
Yeah, sod that.
So we don't. Hopefully, this will go on and fit.
Yeah, right.
Plan. Now, how easy is this going to be?
Well, what I'll need you to do the to do the wiggling, or try and take the weight.
This is going to be hard. You won't get your hand in there, will you?
I need to swap where my left hand is.
You do, don't you?
Right?
Yeah, right. You have to drop it slightly. Get down a bit if you can. That's it.
I'll try and hold the weight if you guide it.
Bear with me.
It's all right, no pressure, Rich.
Right, let's just lean her in. Right there somewhere, okay. How's that? Oh.
Yeah?
Yes, got it.
Is that the second bolt in the top hinge?
Yeah. It's not in tight, but it's in. So she's held now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
One eternity later.
The door guide.
Yeah. It doesn't look too bad actually. Right. So, oh, is that it? Right, yeah, with my car keys. Well, how close does it look? Look at that. Beautiful shot, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, is that catch on there?
Right, let's open it and find out. Oh, it's tight.
No.
That is so close.
It is really, I think we're looking at a hair's width away.
Yeah.
But I think that should be okay.
I think we're lucky.
And it shuts.
Shuts beautiful.
Shuts perfectly fine.
Shuts fine. Yeah.
So we've had the 4 hinge bolts on and the guide bolt so that the door doesn't open too far. We've plugged the door electrics in. We've got those back on there. Obviously we'll have to test them out shortly. But now we're just going to put the mirror back on. All right. Get this lined up.
That's it.
Like a glove. Yeah, like that. That mirror cowling's a really good match for the door. Right, so we've got the 3 bolts on the door mirror.
Yeah, they're all right. That just goes, I think it's that way around, and then that just slots over there and in there, I think. Click.
This is scaring me now, Rich. This is too easy.
And that's
always scares me when the job's too easy.
Now, well, yeah, what we don't know because we bought this off a scrapyard, so we don't actually know whether central locking works, or the electric windows work, or even the mirror works.
Yeah,
we're just going to.
We couldn't work out if we had to calibrate all of the electrics in the new door to the current system, but so far, all we're getting the impression that in actual fact it's literally just plug and play, which would make life a whole lot easier.
Right, let's test the mirror first.
Yep.
That's working. Door's not. Window's not working.
We've got a working mirror so far, but no window.
No window.
So I think what we'll do, just check the central locking to see if the other electrics in the door are working okay, and then we'll have to go from there.
That works.
Yeah, we've got a working door. Central locking works.
We don't know if the speaker works.
Yeah. Well, we've got a working speaker at least.
It's just the window.
So the speaker works, the mirror works, the locking works.
Yeah.
So it's just the window regulator now.
It's just the window regulator, and that's a lot cleaner than the one that's come off.
But we do have a working window regulator in the other door.
We do indeed. And I'll look at that another day.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't look that great.
Well, do you want to test the window then, Rich?
Okay, yeah, right. Oh, bloody window's not working.
Driver's one works fine.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, oh no.
Our back ones aren't working.
No?
Is it? It is. It's all plugged in, isn't it, on the door?
Oh, hang on. Yeah, it's all it's all solid. But I'll tell you what, I'll get the handbook out.
Oh, hang on a minute, Rich.
What?
Have you got has this got a window locker switch on it?
Oh, blimey, yeah, of course it has. Plonker.
Is that all right now then?
I think, yeah.
Yeah.
You happy with that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's all. So right, the mirror works. Central locking works.
Central
Speaker works.
Speaker works.
And the door works.
The door works. Shuts nicely too, doesn't it? What we could do on this one is we could, if we wanted, undo these bolts here, which are the hinge bolts. But from what I've discovered is if we undo these, we'd then have to realign the door. And what we found with this one was we just remove the bolts that go into the door and leave these in place. If we're lucky, it might all line up. And if
we're
doesn't,
lucky,
it'll only be a tiny bit out.
Well, we've been lucky so far,
we were
Rich.
lucky with this one, so we could be lucky
Yeah, we've
again,
been pretty
couldn't
lucky
we?
so far.
Yeah. So this comes out, and then in here, I think it's fixed. There it is. I need 5 hands. I need 5 hands. Have we got a screwdriver handy, someone? Not even this isn't that easy. It needs really a little bent tool. So it's not as simple as I thought.
Eventually.
There we are.
Hey!
There we are.
Get that back in.
Yeah,
It'll go in much easier than it
should
comes out.
slot in. Mind you, we said that about taking this off.
Yeah.
Right. So, all we need now is a 10mm and 12mm socket
4 bolts on the hinges.
and the stay.
Yeah.
So the stay, I believe, is a 10mm socket, which I just happen to have here. It's not. So they're all 12. So the stay, which I'm undoing now, is 10. There we are. Stays off. Do the bottom ones first, which we did last time. Oh, that's not very. Oh, yes, it does.
Right. Oh, door moved then. Looks loose now.
Yeah, don't wobble it. It's held on the top hinge.
Yeah,
top
right.
bolt only. Got it?
Yeah. I've got my weight underneath it.
Right, let's try again.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I'll hold it as well. And then
Right.
in between us.
Right.
Right, all ours. There we are.
Yeah.
One door. She's off.
Hey.
Free aircon, yeah? Works a treat, isn't it? Right. You get the other door?
Yeah. Right. The exact reverse of what we did to take the other one off.
Get the top one in.
Right. I'll try and take the weight. I'll let you guide it.
Right, I'm not going to do those too tight yet. Let it go now, mate. You're going to have to be.
Yeah.
God, these are tight. Bloody door stay. I'm not sure it's
Well,
going
it
to
should be just the opposite.
That facing this way.
Did a
sounded-
click.
Click sounded good, didn't it? Rubber seal on.
Yep.
Right. Do you want to shut that one, see if they line up?
Yeah, it's a little bit low on this side, isn't
although
it?
this seems all right here. Look at that. It's just there.
So,
Ah,
lock
right.
hook.
So what I'll do is move the lock slightly.
yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's adjustable, so that'll go down very slightly.
So it's the door locking eye that's you're going to adjust
Yeah,
in
just
rather than the door, because actually the door seems like a fairly good.
The door seems all right.
Match.
I think it's just the locking position.
Oh, you got all the bloody tools, haven't you, Rich?
Well, not necessarily, because we might not have a star drive that fits this. That's, we haven't. Wrong's too small. Got the right one.
Like a frigging glove.
That's the one, isn't it?
How the hell did you do that? The cameraman just pulled a tool out of the boot of his car and it happened to be the exact tool that we needed. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's moving.
Oh, it's a bit in there, actually.
Yeah.
Right, who wants to go up?
Right.
Up as high as it can go. Well, we can always adjust it slightly later on, can't we? There's a slight bit of wobble as it opens. You see it?
Yeah.
Yes, there's a little bit of catching on there. I suppose what we ought to do now is check the windows and things like that. So we check the window
famous
first
windows.
this time.
Yeah, she'll try the windows, eh?
Yeah.
Right. There you go. Oh, it's a worker.
Right. Can we test the central locking?
Yeah.
Yeah, that works. And there
Sweet.
we have it. Fairly easy swap on a door.
That looks much better, Rich.
It looks a lot better than it did, doesn't it?
Much smarter.
Yeah, I mean, I know the paint's not perfect, but it's far, far better than it was.
No, I can say I've worked on a Kia. Never worked on a Kia before.
You have now.
No, I have now,
Yeah,
definitely.
Yeah.
Well, I think that was a pretty good job
What do you think?
all round.
Yeah. Yeah. My wife would be happy.
Right, well, thank you all very much for watching. See you again next time.